Lockdown extended in Delhi, Haryana and Rajasthan. Lockdown was extended on Sunday in Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Puducherry, with many states already imposing COVID-induced restrictions till May end to rein in the spread of the infection and the mounting deaths, which crossed the 3 lakh mark. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced that the opening and ongoing lockdown in the national capital will continue for another week and said the process of unlock will start from May 31st in the phased manner if the number of COVID-19 cases continues to decline. The Rajasthan government, which extended the coronavirus lockdown by 15 days till June 8, also said the state may allow some relaxation in commercial activities from June 1st in districts where the COVID-19 situation will show significant improvement. Extending the lockdown till 31st of May, the Haryana government said the positivity rate and the fatality rates have to be brought down further, though I did allow some relaxation in the curbs. The daily rise in coronavirus cases in India remained below 3 lakh mark for the 7th consecutive day in 2.4 lakh new cases records in a single day, the Union Health Ministry said on Sunday. With the fresh cases, India's tally of COVID-19 cases climbed to 2,65,30,132. The death toll due to the disease rose to 2,99,260 with 3,741 fresh fatalities, the ministry data updated on 8 am showed. According to the PTI tally, the death toll had risen to 3,03,300 till Sunday night, making India the third country after the US and Brazil to register over 3 lakh COVID fatalities. However, the case fatality rate stood at 1.13%, still lower than many other countries. The active cases further reduced to 28,05,399, comprising of 10.57% of the total infection, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate improved to 88.30%. The number of people who have recovered from the disease in the country surged to 2,34,25,467, the data stated. In the past 24 hours, Delhi recorded around 1,600 positive cases and the positivity rate went further down to below 2.5%, Kejriwal said in an online briefing. He said if the lockdown is lifted now, the gains made in the last 1 month through a tough and a lot of struggles, hard work and sacrifice may be lost. If the current downward trend in number of cases sustains in next 1 week and people follow precautions against COVID with strict discipline as they have done so far, we will start the process of unlock from May 31st, he said. Haryana State Chief Secretary Vijay Vardhan in an order said the lockdown, which was earlier imposed till 24th of May, has been extended till 31st of May. However, certain relaxations were given in standalone shops have been allowed to function during the day. The other shops, except in mall, are allowed to open from 7 am to 12 pm on an odd-even basis. Over 2 weeks ago, there were nearly 1.15 lakh active cases in the states, which now stand around 40,000. Now, after duly considering the fact that although the COVID positivity rate has come down, however, Mahamari Alert Sukriti Haryana needs to continue so as to bring its fatality down even further, said the order issued on 23rd of May. Our target is to free our state from COVID-19 by 31st of May. We will have to unlock the coronavirus-induced curfew gradually from June 1st. The world has to move, but we need to still unlock in such a manner that COVID-19 does not spread. He had said it at a meeting to review the coronavirus situation on the state. Lockdown-like restrictions have been extended to 31st of May in most of the district, including Bhopal. However, Odisha COVID-19 tally mounted to 6,92,000 on Sunday as the state reported its highest single-day spike at 12,800 new cases, undergoing lockdown for more than 2 weeks, a health department official said.